Welcome to this lecture on smart alarms and smart locks. Two important technologies that enhance security in modern smart homes. A smart alarm is an advanced security system that uses wireless communication instead of a traditional wired connections. The various components of the smart alarm communicate through the home's Wi-Fi network. Unlike conventional burglar alarms, smart alarms can be monitored and controlled remotely using smartphones, tablets, or computers. Homeowners can receive real-time notifications whenever unusual activity is detected. These systems provide enhanced security, easy installation, flexibility, and integration with other smart home devices. As a result, smart alarms have become a popular choice for protecting homes, offices, and commercial buildings. Indoor sensors form the first line of defense within a smart alarm system. One commonly used sensor is the open-close sensor. These sensors are installed on the doors and windows to detect unauthorized entry. Another important sensor is the passive infrared sensor, commonly known as a PIR sensor. A PIR sensor detects motion by sensing changes in infrared radiation produced by moving objects. They are usually installed in hallways, living rooms, and entry points. When motion is detected while the alarm system is armed, controller activates the siren and sends an alert to the homeowner. Ultrasonic sensor detectors are another type of indoor sensors. These devices transmit ultrasonic sound waves and analyze the reflected waves. If an object moves within the protected area, the reflected signal changes and motion is detected. Photoelectric beam systems use infrared light beams. If a person or object interrupts the beam, the security system identifies the intrusion and activates an alarm. Together, these sensors provide comprehensive integrated protection. In addition to indoor protection, smart security systems employ outdoor sensors to monitor the surrounding environment. One commonly used outdoor device is the vibration sensor. These sensors are mounted on walls, fences, gates, and other structures. When an attempt is made to break, cut, climb, or force open the protected structure, vibrations are generated. The sensor detects these vibrations and immediately generates an alarm signal. Another technology is passive magnetic field detection. In this system, sensors are buried underground and are installed around the perimeter of their property. The sensors continuously monitor electromagnetic field disturbances. When a vehicle or person enters the protected area, the magnetic field changes and the intrusion is detected. By combining indoor and outdoor sensors, smart alarm provides layered security and early warning capabilities. Let us now move on to the smart locks. A smart lock is an electronic locking system that allows users to secure and access doors without traditional physical keys. Instead of using conventional keys, smart locks can be operated through passwords, PIN codes, smartphone applications, biometric authentication, RFID cards, or wireless communication technologies. The smart lock connects to the home's Wi-Fi network, enabling remote monitoring and control. So users can lock or unlock doors from virtually anywhere using their smartphones. A smart lock system consists of two major sections: the intelligent monitor and the electronic lock mechanism. Together, these components provide convenience, flexibility, and enhanced security. This figure illustrates the overall structure of a smart lock system. The architecture includes a user interface, communication network, electronic locking and its mechanism, monitoring system, and control electronics. Commands generated by users are transmitted through the communication network and processed by the lock controller. Authentication is performed before access is granted. So such systems allow secure and convenient access management in residential and commercial buildings. This diagram provides another view of smart lock implementation. The lock communicates continuously with the monitoring unit and can send status updates regarding door position, lock condition, unauthorized access attempts, and battery levels. Some advanced systems can also record access history and maintain detailed event logs. This information can be used for secure monitoring and auditing purposes. The intelligent monitor, which serves as the supervisory unit of the smart lock system. It consists of a microcontroller, LCD display, memory, keyboard interface, communication circuits, alarm systems, and monitoring electronics. The monitor continuously receives the information from electronic lock and displays important status details. Whenever there is an alarm condition, an access attempt, or a system event, the intelligent monitor processes the information and presents it to the user. Because the monitor remains in a constant receiving mode, it can immediately respond to security events and user commands. This ensures effective surveillance and system management. The electronic lock is a physical mechanism responsible for securing or releasing the road. At the heart of the electronic lock is a microcontroller, often from the 51 series microcontroller family. The lock stores authorized passwords and user's credentials in memory. When a user enters a password or authentication code, the controller verifies it against the stored information. The system also controls the electromagnetic actuator that physically locks or unlocks the door. Additional functions include alarm generation, communication with sensors, monitoring lock status, and transmitting information to the intelligent monitor. This combination of electronics and software creates a high secure access control system. Let us understand the operation of a smart lock system. The MCU receives the typed code and compares it with the password stored in the EEPROM. If the password is correct, the electromagnetic actuator is unlocked. If password is incorrect, the operator is allowed to re-enter the password up to 3 times. 3 times, if it is not correct, the MCU will alarm the intelligent monitor through the communication line. So finally, advantages. So these are the advantages of smart lock. Can go through. So in this lecture we have studied smart term and smart lock systems. I hope you understood the lecture. So thank you for watching. In the next lecture we will see the smart force.